Hey there, it's Dave from Dave and Matt Vans. Sitting here in our newest build, another 136. You may notice there's another door on the other side here. Also want to note, we did another double sliding video. The wind apparently was a little bit too strong for the microphone, so we have upgraded significantly, and we think this one's going to be a little better. So we want to give you the full tour, minus wind. Ready? Let's do it. Starting up front, we got our standard 2 double sliders for our swivel seats. These things are awesome. Basically, it opens up the living area. You can seat, 2-3 people in here now. Standard kitchenette. We do have our rotating faucet, which we'll show you on the other side. One new feature from that previous one as well. If you don't want to open the door, you can always just open the window and you got a shower. So that's a pretty sweet feature of this. Available mostly because of the double slider and because of these new windows we put in. We got a refrigerator here, 2 7-gallon tanks. We got our water pump switch. Everything's super convenient, easy to use. The one difference in this one, we got rid of that rear double seat for this, which allows full access to all of the drawers here. And we added this beauty, which is a single person storage bench. Very easily comes off. Store whatever you want in there. It's one of the big things with the 136 ProMasters. They are small, and so storage is a premium. And so to add this with our already large kitchenette, with the overhead storage space that comes standard on the ProMaster up here, you combine all this, and we'll show you in the rear, obviously, of our bed being raised. You should not run out of storage in this 136. Again, standard, we've got 2 roof vents up on top, dimmer switch for your lights, USB charger. I don't know if you can see it from here, but our inverter is right here. Easily located to plug in whatever you'd like. 2,000 watt inverter can pretty much handle any household appliance, Vitamix, hair dryer, induction cooktop, whatever you want. So let's pull around back. We'll show you the rear again. You also notice beetle kill door panels. This is new, different from our previous. We love it. We think it looks awesome, matches the rest of the van. Massive storage. This is about 36 inches. You can fit bikes under there. You can fit storage bins. You can probably put a kayak in there. I mean, you can fit anything you want. We've got our bed light. So at night, if you want to light up underneath here, you've got these LEDs, super bright at night. This is an awesome feature of this. It basically allows you to maneuver back here even when it's dark outside. So let's shut these. We'll go around to the other sliding door. I'm also going to take a minute while we're doing that to talk about this incredibly nice paint job that we have on this. We got this done in McKinney, Texas at Mako. Really helpful, awesome job, great pricing. If you ever want to get a ProMaster or anything painted, talk to Matt down there. He's the owner. Mako and McKinney, they were awesome with this. But we're calling this Desert Storm. We don't know the actual real paint job or the paint color, but it is a awesome feature of this. Especially with, we've got black roof vents up on top, which you can't see from here. And if I slide this slider, black wheels. So this thing's pretty badass. Black on Desert Storm. It looks incredible. So we'll just slide this open. Super clean rear here. You can basically easily unhook this tank, pull it out, refill it. Also a great feature. You don't have to reach in and do all that. And then, as we mentioned before, swivel faucet, extendable hose, shower, wash off, whatever. It's awesome. So as we move around to the front, you'll see our lovely black brush guard here, which is a combination mostly aesthetic. We think it looks badass, but also does help do its job, which is keep brush away from messing up, and particularly with this severely sloped front end, this is a pretty good feature. So yeah, this is our newest build. We're super pumped about it. We love how it came out. We think it looks probably one of the best vans that we've done. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, anything, just write it in the comments below. Subscribe to our videos. Hopefully we'll have more, or to our channel. Hopefully we'll have more videos for you in the near future. We hope you like this. I'm Dave from Dave and Matt Vans.